Hello guys, another week has started. Today the plan is to add a top text control for custom gradient, bottom text control for selecting the color, and if I manage to add a control for customizing the width of every box, it would be a very good day. So let's get started. I have added the option for custom gradient and it works fine. I have also added the option to select the color for the bottom text. So if I select the white color, every single paragraph will be white. All that's left today is to create a control for selecting the width of a box. Today's priority is to create that control for box width I haven't done yesterday. Fix a bug on box color and transparency controls, and top text control for custom gradient also has a bug that I will be fixing today. After that we'll see what has to be done. I have added the control for setting the box width, fixed bugs for selecting box color and transparency, and also fixed a bug I had when selecting a custom gradient option for both background and texts. It was very motivating when I have seen that YouTube has started pushing my last video for the last 2 days, and that feels great. I wish it would stay like this. Anyway, liking this video and subscribing would help a lot. Last thing for today, I will add a possibility to change the font size, and that should be it. I was just going through the points that still have to be done before launching an app, and there is definitely still a lot of work to be done. I think I underestimated this application. I mean, at the end of the day, it is all up to me. I am the one who wanted to make every aspect of the grid editable. But no worries, it will be done and published. There's at least 10 days of work left before launch, and that's without taking into account the fact that I may be stuck on some feature. Anyway, today I will be adding a control for font size for both top and bottom texts. After that I'll be adding a feature for adding and removing the boxes. So let's get started. I have finished building font size controls and the ability to add or remove boxes. I also worked a bit on user interface, and this is how it looks like now. So this is where I can edit top text font size. I can even enter the font size here or edit the bottom text font size here. I can make new boxes by clicking on this button, and I can edit each of these boxes, or I can delete the boxes. That's what I was working on today. It would also be nice to have the possibility to change the orientation of the gradients. So instead of just going from left to right, I wanted to go from top to bottom. So that is what I'm gonna be doing next. Last night I implemented the control for background gradient orientation. Now it's time to implement the same for the text gradient background. Also, today I will be creating some controls for iterating through boxes, so it improves user experience a bit. And then the big challenge is on its way. I have to create the main feature of this application, and that is to make the possibility to export the created grid as an image or as a code. I just finished gradient orientation control, and now it works for both grid background and text. Controls for iterating through boxes also work great, and I think it does improve user experience, because someone may not be clicking on boxes, so editing would be confusing. This is how it works at the moment. This is gradient orientation. I can do for custom gradient, I can do for text, and also there is a purple line around the box to showcase which box I am editing. And now I can iterate through boxes with these controls, like this. And it is all visible, so I think that improves user experience a bit. And if I click on the back arrow button, I get back to grid controls. The next thing I will be working on is to create a functionality to export created grid as an image. It is the last day of this week. I'm going to be working on a possibility to download an image from the created grid. While I have some progress on it at the moment, it is definitely far from done, since it is not working properly. And currently I'm not even sure what the actual solution for this is. So that's how I am mostly going to be spending this day. I would love to finish this feature today, since there is still more features that have to be added. And apart from working on application, today I also have to edit this week's video and upload it. I have been working on downloading a grid as an image function and found out there is an issue with the way I am currently styling the text with gradient option. Image can't be downloaded with the gradient text. I've been trying to fix this with a couple of approaches, and I think I finally found the one that actually may work. The solution would be to use SVG text instead of styling the text with CSS. That's what I'm currently working, and possibly won't be only today, because I have to rework a bigger part of my application, so the SVGs work the same CSS was working until now. I have to invest more time into this application because I want it to be launched as soon as possible, but more on this in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, it helps me a lot.